Hi guys! Today I show you the easy way to prepare some delicious mashed potatoes and some options to give them an exquisite flavor. And if you want to know how I do it, come and hazlo con su. We are going to select what type of potatoes we're going to be using. We can select the Yukon yellow or the red. This time I'm using Russet, which are also ideal for baking. We will continue by putting a pot with enough water to cover your potatoes, and we will add 1 to 2 tablespoons of salt. We will boil the water until we peel all the potatoes. We are going to peel using a potato peeler or a knife, and when I use the yellow or red potatoes, I leave some of the potatoes unpeeled. This time I'm cooking a recipe for 6 people, which I'm making 12 potatoes. After peeling, we will wash well and cut into pieces depending on the size, and we will boil for 20 to 25 minutes. We will check that they are done by inserting a fork, and if it goes in easily, it means they are ready. If not, and they get a little dry, just add a little bit of water. When they are done, we will remove all the water, and from here on we have different options. Option 1 is to add 1 stick of butter and 1/8 cup of mayonnaise. This is my basic way of preparing potatoes. It gives it an incredibly good flavor, and from here on we will just serve. One of my favorite ways of eating mashed potatoes is with melted cheese. I take 2 slices of cheddar cheese, I place in the microwave for 1 minute, so good and yummy. Then my option number 2 is we will add a half a cup of plain Greek yogurt and 1 stick of butter. And totally optional, I will also add half a stick of herb butter. This is excellent for potatoes that you will accompany with beef, and it gives it a very tasty flavor. Remember, the list of ingredients will be down in the description box. My option number 3 is we're going to melt a stick of butter, and to this we're going to add 1/8 cup of cream cheese plus 1/8 cup of garlic butter. This is one of my favorite butters to put on potatoes to accompany with any type of meat because it gives the potatoes a very earthy flavor. My last option is to any type of potato that you decide to make, add a half to 1 cup of mozzarella cheese. This will make your potatoes taste so juicy and creamy. If you are making this recipe for less people, just adjust the ingredients. Look at this deliciousness. Oh my God, so yummy. Here I'm going to show you how I prepare the onions that we usually put on top. I use red onions, which I will cut into thin strips. I'm using a mandolin, which I use very carefully, but then I will add some apple cider vinegar or white vinegar, just enough to cover half of the onions, and add 1 teaspoon of salt. And I will let it rest for 5 minutes. After this time, we will put a pan with 2 tablespoons of oil to heat up. Then we will remove the vinegar from the onions, and we will fry in the pan over medium-low heat until they are half translucent. This will take about 3 to 5 minutes, and then our onions will be ready. As you can see, potatoes are something quite simple and very adaptable to any flavor that you want to add. If you try any of these options, please let me know down in the comments. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it. If you have not done so, subscribe and activate the bell. Also follow me on all my social media at Hazlo con Su. Now you know how I do it. Bye!